Outstanding design defines the 2009 BMW 328. With just over 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a BMW are offered, including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.